Yeet! Let's go, son. Yes, sir. Pull my sleeves down because it's gonna get chilly. Let's get it on. Oh! Baby, let's get it on. Hey! Nope. I rubbed my thumb over just to make sure. I seen your arm come across and I was like, nope. Not today. Yeah. Man, shift that thing. Jeez. Yeah, I think that's Anthony. Hey Charlie, you need to race him. Hey, run that bit. Hey, y'all could race at the lot on that long strip. But you could also run it right here. Let's go to Mexico. No way. What? Whoa! Brake coming in hot.
You better know yourself, know your soul, gotta know your wealth. Slow your roll, get a hold, don't melt, and don't you fall when I feel like hell. Oh, who am I and me? I'm not the one you wanna fuck with. Late nights messing up my sleep, so I'm flustered. Taking out aggression with my pen because I trust it. Writing, trying to get myself a lamb color cuss for the game.
Cody's in the lead. He's passing him. Yeah.
He get you on top?
Yeah, about 63, 64.
He started coming around?
Oh yeah. So to turn it off or to not to turn it off?
Just let it run.
So where did he get you at?
About 62, 63. Top end.
It looked like you was like right there. Well, that 4 valve gonna be.
Kia last night.
Yeah. That's,
No. That's why I was scared the Shane will be.
that was funny. James running the damn Kia. He took the soul out that Kia.
That Ranger was funny. I told James earlier they're gonna race you.
Yeah. Oh. Yay, yay. Jeez, oh. That's what I'm talking about. Hell yeah, brother. That was not okay.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
And lower.
Yeah. Stretched and lowered, son. That's that crazy shit. Hey, bro. Hey.
Float that.
You float that, bro. Hey, shout out your Instagram, bro. You know what it is.
I'll see you remember.
Let's start going. What's up, squad? Woo! That's where it's at. The 1 foot stand-ups, I can do them things all day. All day. You ain't trying to what?
I'm falling apart on my age. I ain't thinking of changing the crossing.
You only 30, boy.
Shit.
30's young. Zacadelic. About to whip one right past Zach. All the way, baby. Should have got the one before that one. I had to like do like that with it. Keep it up. You getting gas over there, Scott?
No, throwing trash away.
Hey, let me get a little bit of that, bye.
Gotta keep the place you ride at nice, right?
Right.
I'm off the can.
Kneel down a bit, like, I'm gonna get this in the corner. Back up, please, bro.
Hell no, bro. I'm in the background.
Back up.
This is a dude that just straight stares.
You hurt yourself when you dropped it, did you? You do, he just doesn't have it turned on.
Oh yeah, he's got an A-Racer, huh?
Yeah.
Cody, why you ain't got your tune turned on?
What?
The backfire tune.
It won't do it.
Dude, James is running all over town, blowing 20s like that, popping and shit everywhere.
That's
Yeah, we're gonna get y'all.
That's just loud, bro. It's like a little.
You gotta learn how to be creative. Down to be like.
Okay, way. Okay, way. Okay. Hot diggity dog. Hot diggity dog.
When I was going too fast,
What's that?
going too fast.
Yeah, bro. Your bike was shaking. I was like, torque, 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 torque,
I was
torque.
going like, gotta be topped out like a good 60 mile an hour, bro. I was like, oh,
Ah! It's too much speed.
like, I don't know how people go faster than 70, bro. Like, that was wicked.
Yeah.
Telling you, when this bad boy gets down, she clowns, dog. Look, you can't even get in a tuck. It just make it blow, and then I got my cape blowing in the wind.
Aerodynamics is key.
Got my redneck performer.
You better redneck nickanize. Alright, boys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and we'll be back for some more. Peace out. It's your boy Ridingwithlee. We out.
I used to be that kid that every day would get rejected. Y'all got my story, the glory was painted on a song. I'm mortified but feel immortal. This pen to this paper always open up different portals.